ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरि ओम। Bhagavad Gita 18th chapter, 26th verse. Earlier Sri Krishna talked about three kinds of knowledge, and now he talked about three kinds of action. Now he is talking about three kinds of agents. मुक्त संगो नहम वादी धृत्युत्साह समन्वितः सिद्ध्य सिद्ध्यो निर्विकारः कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते। मुक्त संगः, वन हु इज फ्री फ्रॉम अटैचमेंट। अनहम वादी, नॉन ईगोटिस्टिक। धृत्युत्साह समन्वितः, हु इज एंड्यूर्ड विथ फॉर्टिट्यूड एंड एंथुजियाज्म। सिद्ध्य सिद्धयोः, इन सक्सेस और फेलियर। निर्विकारः, unaffected. कर्ता, an agent. सात्विकः, सात्विक उच्यते is called. An agent who is free from attachment, who is non-egotistic, who has fortitude. Fortitude, dhriti. Dhriti means forbearance, the ability to face struggles. Dhriti, utsaha, and one who has enthusiasm, and one who is nirvikara, unaffected. That karta, that agent is called satvika. That agent is called satvika. So the satvika agent is non-attached, does not have egotism, has fortitude and enthusiasm, and is the same in success and failure. That agent is a satvika agent. Ragi karma phala prepsuhu lubdho himsatmako shuchihi harsha shokanvita karta rajasa parikirtitah. So ragi, passionate. Karma phala prepsuhu, desirous of the fruits of actions. Lubdah, greedy. Hinsatmakah, one who is causing injury to others, one who is vengeful, malignant. Ashuchihi, one who is impure. So what is purity? Purity is the alignment of thought, word and action. Purity is also not to think of oneself as mere body and mind. Ashuchi is the opposite. Opposite is not having an alignment of word, thought and deed, and to think oneself as mere body and mind. Harsha shokanvitah, one who is anvitah, affected by harsha, happiness, shoka, misery. Karta, so such an agent, rajasah parikirtitah. Parikirtitah is called rajasah, rajasika. So a person who is passionate. Passionate means one who has attachment. Passionate means one who has attachment. Karma phala prepsuhu, one who wants karma phala. One who wants the fruits of action. And one who is greedy. One who is malignant, and one who is impure. That person, one who is easily disturbed by happiness and misery, that person is a Rajasika Karta, a Rajasika agent. Then comes we saw Satvika agent, we saw Rajasika agent, now comes Tamasika agent. Ayuktah, Prakritah, Stabdah, Shato, नैष्कृतिको लसः विषादी दीर्घसूत्री च कर्ता तामस उच्यते. So this is ayuktah, unsteady. Prakritah, vulgar, not in good taste. Stabdah, arrogant. Shatah, shatah means dishonest here. Naishkritikah, malicious. Alasah, lazy, indolent. Vishadi, desponding, like Arjuna Vishada Yoga, in depression. Dirgha Sutri, one who is procrastinating, putting off things, delaying things. Cha and Karta, an agent. Tamasaha, Tamasika, Uchyate is called. So, a person who is unsteady, who is vulgar, who is arrogant, who is dishonest, who is malicious, who is lazy, desponding and procrastinating, such an agent, such a person who does the work is called Tamasika. So now we have seen three kinds of jnanam, knowledge, three kinds of karma, action, three kinds of karta, agent. Now Sri Krishna is telling that even intellect and fortitude, that is dhriti and buddhi. Buddhi is intellect, dhriti is fortitude. Even they have three categories according to Tamasika, Rajasika and Satvika. Buddher bhedam dhriteschaiva gunatat trividam shrunu gunatat trividam shrunu prochyamanam asheshena prithaktvena dhananjaya. Dhananjaya, buddhehe of intellect, dhritehe of fortitude, cha eva and also, gunataha according to the gunas, trividam triple, prithaktvena severally, aseshena exhaustively, prochyamanam as I declare, bhedam the distinction, shrunu here. So, O Dhananjaya, one who has conquered wealth. Conquered wealth means one who has conquered all kinds of wealth that is to be conquered. Human wealth, divine wealth, earthly wealth, celestial wealth, spiritual wealth, everything. One who is endowed with all kinds of qualities, that is Dhananjaya. So, that is a name for Arjuna. Arjuna, O Arjuna, buddhehe of intellect, dhritehe of fortitude, both of intellect and fortitude, according to gunataha, according to the gunas, trividam prithaktvena, aseshena prochyamanam, bedam shrunu. So aseshena, completely, exhaustively, comprehensively, prithaktvena, variously, severally, trividam prochyamanam bedam. What I am going to tell now, Shri Krishna is telling Arjuna, I am going to now exhaustively detail the different gunas, the distinction of intellect and fortitude according to the different gunas. I am going to now detail. So please listen to them. Please listen to them. What are the gunas? What is buddhi and dhriti according to three gunas? Pravrittim cha nivrittim cha karya karye bhaya bhaye bandham moksham cha ya veti buddhi sa partha satviki. Partha, O Partha, ya which pravrittim the path of work, action, nivrittim the path of renunciation or giving up of actions, cha and karya akarye. Karya means right action, akarya means wrong action, bhaya abhaye. Bhaya means fear, abhaya means fearlessness, bandham bondage, moksham liberation, cha and veti knows, sa that satviki, satvika, buddhi intellect. So that which knows different paths of pravritti and nivritti, that intellect which knows different paths of work or action and path out of action, that which knows what is right action and what is wrong action, that intellect which knows about fear and fearlessness, that intellect which clearly knows about bondage and liberation, that intellect, O Partha, is called Satvika. So, if one knows what is fear and fearlessness, then one will know what is the cause of fear and what is the cause of fearlessness. If they know what is bondage, then they will know the cause of bondage. If they know what is liberation, then they will know the cause of liberation. So, liberation here we have to take it in the sense of removing of ignorance. Only that can have cause. Knowledge of one's own self cannot have any cause, because then it will be dependent on something, which would be absurd. So, a person who knows what is correct work, what is wrong work, person who knows what is work and what is not work, fear, what is fearlessness, what is liberation and what is bondage, that intellect is called Satvika. Now we move on to Rajasika Buddhi, Rajasi Buddhi, or intellect of the Rajasika. Partha, O son of Pritha, that is Kunti, so that is Arjuna. Technically this word can be used for any of the Pandavas. Yaya, by which dharma, adharma, karyam, right action, akaryam, wrong action, cha, and ayathavat, in a distorted way, prajanati, apprehends, sa, that, rajasi buddhi, is a rajasika intellect. Yaya dharmam adharmam cha, karyam cha akaryameva cha, ayathavat prajanati, buddhi sa partha rajasi. So, ayathavat means in a distorted way. That intellect which has a distorted understanding of dharma and also adharma and also of right action and of wrong action, that intellect is Rajasika. So, Rajasika intellect has an understanding of what is right action, what is wrong action, what is dharma, what is adharma, but that understanding is distorted. We see many people like that who have a distorted understanding of things. Why? Because of their Rajasika intellect. Adharmam dharmamiti ya manyate tamasavruta. Tamasavruta. Sarvarthan viparitanscha buddhihi sa partha tamasi. So, O Partha, ya. Partha again means son of Pritha or son of Kunti. Ya, which adharmam, adharma, dharmam dharma iti as manyate regards, sarvarthan, all things, viparitan, perverted, cha, and tamasa, in darkness, avrita, enveloped, sa, that, buddhihi, intellect, tamasi, is tamasika. So that which is enveloped in darkness, that which is enveloped in darkness, and that intellect which regards adharma as dharma and views all things in a perverted manner, in a perverted light, that intellect is tamasika intellect. O Partha, that intellect is tamasika. So, the Satvika intellect has a clear understanding, Rajasika intellect has a distorted understanding, and Tamasika intellect, it has an understanding of dharma as adharma and adharma as dharma. So it does not have a distorted understanding, it has a completely opposite understanding. So Satvika intellect has the clear understanding, Rajasika intellect has a distorted understanding, Tamasika intellect has a completely opposite understanding. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.